We take you now to South Dakota, a state that has reported more COVID hospitalizations and deaths over the last week per capita than anywhere else in the country. CBS's David Begnaud is there.
Here in Sioux Falls, mask wearing is now mandatory, says Mayor Paul Tenhaken.
But there's no enforcement behind it.
If you think that the enforcement piece is going to all of a sudden create this mass level of compliance that isn't there without it, that's not true.
I am an RN on a COVID unit.
That is 22-year-old Nicole Noshel.
I do care about other people and their health as well.
South Dakota's Governor Kristi Noem is against mask mandates, despite the fact that per capita, South Dakota leads the world in COVID deaths every day. Health officials are split over how best to respond to the pandemic.
It's hard for me to say we are at a crisis.
Would you classify what is happening here in the Dakotas as a crisis?
I would.
Just about an hour north of here, the city of Brookings reports the lowest infection rate in South Dakota. Now, masks have been mandatory here since early September.
There are a lot of folks in South Dakota, thousands of people in South Dakota, that understand the reality of what we're facing.
Back in Sioux Falls, the mayor has taken some heat for saying this when we asked him why so many people are against wearing a mask.
This is cowboy country, man, and you try and tell someone to do something and they want to do the opposite.
David Begnaud, CBS News, Sioux Falls, South Dakota.